But first tonight, a startling statistic. Experts say domestic homicides nationwide have increased 250% over the past couple of years. It's a similar trend in Guilford County. Good evening, I'm Chad Silber.
And I'm Sydney Moore. Because of this alarming trend, the #1 line of defense for victims is getting stronger. WFMY News 2's Denise McMillan heard how a new team focused on protecting victims is already seeing results.
Many of us think of our homes as our safe space. For victims of abuse, it's the opposite. And with the rise in deaths related to domestic abuse, the Family Justice Center now has an interactive team to get victims to safety quicker. And in a short 4 months, the team has already helped resolve 50 cases.
We're seeing a lot of increase in strangulation victims. We're seeing a lot of repeat domestic violence offenders. We are also seeing a lot of courageous women who are coming in asking for help.
When folks in crisis walk through the doors of the Family Justice Center in Greensboro, they're typically going through some of their darkest days.
Or strangulation is involved in the incident in your home, you're almost 1,000% more likely to be killed by that person. So those rates of higher risk or higher lethality cases coming into the center sends off alarms.
Katherine Johnson is the director of the center. In the past year, she says they've seen a 17% increase in abuse cases.
COVID changed a lot of things, and one of those things we saw during COVID was a spike in domestic violence homicides, an increase in the severity of cases of child and elder abuse.
That's why they hired this team of 8 through the Department of Social Services to investigate in-house to get victims out of life-threatening situations faster. Pamela Bright supervises the team of social workers.
But they investigate to make sure that safety is the priority for the families. It could be a variety of things. A homeless shelter, could be a domestic violence shelter, transportation to another city if they want to relocate.
Bright says what they're seeing is concerning, and she's encouraging loved ones to offer their support.
So sometimes just listening, providing gentle guidance to that loved one is the most important thing, helping to remind them that you are important.
And experts say red flags include being disconnected or fearful around certain people. I put contact information for these agencies in my story on the website.